histogram instead of a bar graph? Bar chart?
Yeah, I just for mine or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Yeah, I got that, but yeah, so I just need if I submitted it, I just haven't done that yet.
I didn't know if we individually needed to submit, and he put my name on it, so it stressed me out. So I submitted a histogram and said it was for the group.
Oh, because he put names on all of them.
Yeah,
I think it automatically has your name.
Yeah, I think that he just tried to make it like a personal, but I think that it has to be submitted as a group.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I sent him one histogram.
Okay.
Has he updated your grade?
No, he hasn't yet. I just sent it this morning.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's look and see.
Did anyone look over the one I sent out?
Yes, I did. I was gonna send you something about. I'm gonna send it tonight. For the question that you had. Like some feedback on.
The action part of it.
Yeah, I'll send you. I have some. Okay. Yeah,
but the rest of that's good, right?
Yeah, it
Yeah,
looks good.
I thought it looked pretty dang good.
Yeah, I emailed back as well. So. All right, well, let's get started with the quiz.
Oh, perfect.
I think almost everything is on SPSS, right?
Yeah, this one. Let's see. Question 3. The true linear regression equation y equals beta naught plus beta 1x, where beta naught and beta 1 are unknown. What are the null and the alternative hypothesis for beta 1? That's the equal and not equal.
So I think it's what, C?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. The residual is C, right? Difference between observed value and predicted?
Yeah.
Let's see. Is that one the first one? The residuals look normally distributed?
I was thinking that.
Yeah, I think so too.
So we go with what we see, right?
For which question?
4?
Yeah, 4 is C. And then 5 we were thinking A.
A, right?
Yeah. Looks like we need to open SPS.
Oh gosh. I think that I should have bought the program because I just hate this. Okay, so the residuals. I think it's A. Did you get that?
For what question?
6?
I was thinking it was B.
I don't know. I got residual statistics. I got residuals minimum is minus 38.19987. And maximum is 23.4222. No?
Yeah. I got as well. Okay.
Hold on.
Because this one is the one that we have to save and right?
Yeah, it's for yeah, because the first step is doing the previous, the Jordan and running.
Wait, so once you put it in the linear regression part, do you just push OK after you put the independent and dependent in it?
Yes.
Yeah, you do the analyze regression linear,
Yeah.
and yeah, and then you put the things on the
So
dependent and independent boxes.
okay, so compute which
And
table
then
does this goes in
place
it?
the residuals.
What do you look at after?
I mean, I put the unstandardized residuals. I check that box.
Which box, where was that box? I couldn't find it.
Under
Yes.
statistics.
Uh-huh. So once you click on save, that little screen comes up.
Okay.
And then just look at the one on the right.
I don't have it under statistics.
No, it's not the statistics. Once you click save,
Oh.
click save.
Standardized.
Oh yeah. Whoops.
Okay. So,
Then click continue and OK.
okay. And then what do we look at on here? The R?
I look in the box that it says residual statistics.
Okay. So, it's not A.
What did you get?
Wait, but there's like a 38 and then there's a 23.
Yeah, well, it's minus 38. Did you guys
Yeah.
get that? Minus 38.19987.
I think, yeah, that's a hard one because I. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know about that one. Maybe
I
it's
thought it was B.
I thought it was A. I'm not quite sure though.
Between -40 and 25.
yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to rerun my test and it didn't work out, so we can give one answer a try.
Because they're not asking us to do the QQ plot. They just are telling us to do the compute the residuals. So if they're asking us to compute the residuals, they want numbers. And the residuals are not negative. And we wouldn't know if they form a linear pattern because we haven't done the QQ plot. So the one that, I don't know. And the numbers that I get here are between minus 40 and 25. So I think.
I'll put A.
To clarify really quick, Mildred, did you get negative 38 and 23?
Negative 38, 1.19987, and the maximum 23.42220, whatever.
Yeah, that's what I got. I just wanted to make sure I ran the test correctly. A. Let's give it a shot.
Now the cuckoo plot.
Mm. Okay, so let me see here. Well, if I did it right, mine kind of looks like it's going upward.
Now, my residuals, the cuckoo plot looks like a mess.
Really?
Do you,
There's expected values, and then there's what you actually got when I do run the QQ plots, and the expected one's pretty straight, and then the other one's kind of crazy.
how did you do the expected one?
Mine just comes up with 4. Wait, no.
4
I have a
cuckoo
bunch of
plots?
different ones. Yeah, I have
How?
one for the observed values, and then I have.
How did you run all
Like
those?
I just did analyze descriptive statistics QQ plot, stuck the variables in, and hit OK.
Oh, okay. Okay, so analyze descriptive cuckoo plots, and then you put the, then you put the, whatever, the residual one as variable and the score as a variable, right?
Yeah.
So,
Oh, okay, got it, yeah. So expected value,
I mean, they're like, which one are we supposed to look at?
I think that B, expected value normal, right?
That's what I put.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So it'll be B.
Gold variation.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay, and it's the software to create a scatter plot of the data, the scatter plot, residual plot, and the QQ plot, which are the 5 assumptions about linear regression. Satisfy those things.
So it's the last one.
The observations are independent.
Yeah, I think it's A. Let me read there. It's the A and B. The variance exercise measure without error. The expires.
It wouldn't be C, the residuals are normally distributed.
I think it's A, B, and then D, E. Oh, wait, the error term is normally distributed. I think it's all of them.
Well, it's just which ones apply to our specific problem.
Oh, duh.
I definitely think A and B and C.
Well, it's definitely C, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we said above.
I think it's A, B, and C are the ones that apply.
The variance.
9, what is the estimate? Is it 18.690?
9.
Yeah.
I think you look at the bottom number.
Oh, wait.
I got like 0.042.
Isn't it 12.695?
It's
Yeah.
12.695.
12.695, right? Okay.
Yeah.
I was looking at the top one on accident.
In the position. Yeah. Confidence in your role.
Now,
How do you do that again? Do you have to run something else?
Yeah, so I was going through the steps and I was like, I've already done these, but maybe not, because I was looking at it and I don't see.
The upper bound and lower bound.
I think, um, isn't that to do the 95 confidence interval? Isn't that analyze, explore?
The notes I have for our analyze regression linear, which is like the similar steps we have for it. Then you move the dependent and the independent. Intercept. Oh, and then you have to click on statistics. Analyze.
Okay, so the dependent will be a score, but then the independent will be the residual, right?
I think. Oh, upper bound and lower bound. I think I got it. It's well, but which one do they want it for? The constant?
How did you get it? Where did you go?
I went to analyze, regression, linear, and then I clicked on statistics and put the confidence interval box on statistics.
Oh, okay.
What did you put for the dependent and independent?
I just kept it at what it was.
No, because it has to be residual.
Oh.
So I guess it has to be on independent, the residual one.
Okay. So,
Which,
hold on. So the upper bound and lower bound, but which one do you use, the top or the bottom?
I think it has to be the bottom because we're doing the slope.
Oh, B1. Okay. So
Yeah.
the upper bound is 1.179.
And the lower point 821.
for the dependent, did you put confidence rating or score?
Which one? What are you asking?
For the linear regression for the dependent variable, did you put confidence rating or score?
Score, I think.
A score. Confidence? No. Confidence. And instead of a score, you put the residual.
So you put that as the dependent.
You put that as a y as a dependent, yeah.
And then scores, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I got weird stuff for the confidence interval. What did you get? For the top one, I got like negative 0.508.
No.
Yeah, I know.
The lower bound is 0.821. Did you get that, Ashley?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. And how about you, Michaela?
I got my lower 10.674 and higher is 14.715. But I didn't do. I kept my independent the same as score and confidence rating mean? So I don't, and so I was trying to look back and see if we changed it or not. So I'm not quite sure if it's just the residual or not.
See, I think that we cannot keep the score by itself because they want us to do the residuals.
Yeah.
Right?
That's good. Yeah. That's good. Sure.
Jamie, did you get the upper bound?
No, because I got the lower bound one right, so whatever I did was wrong.
Okay, so the upper bound is 1.179.
Got my 4 different answers.
What did you guys do on the upper? Do you do?
The upper?
Yeah.
0.821.
Okay.
Wait, for the upper or lower?
For the lower, 0.821. For
Okay.
the upper, 1.179.
Okay. Alright, question 12. Based on the evidence and using the significance of 0.05, what decision would you make regarding the hypothesis test for B?
Is it D?
Okay, the p-value is 0, right?
Yeah.
So it's less than the...
Okay.
So we reject.
So is it C?
I would think it was C.
Reject the null hypothesis?
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's C.
Mhm.
The hypothesis test for anyone reject the null hypothesis.
There's sufficient evidence. Is it B?
Wouldn't it be D?
No.
That's a good question.
We reject. No, we have
Wait, are we
sufficient-
talking about number 13?
Yeah, we have.
Yeah.
There is sufficient evidence.
To conclude that the slope of the regression line is not 0,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
At least I got this part down.
Yeah, but if we're rejecting, it's because we have sufficient evidence.
Yeah, which is why it's D. There is sufficient evidence to conclude that the slope of the regression.
Sufficient. Yeah.
For 14, I got body length.
And then
Yeah, we've used this crocodile one.
and then is
Yeah, that is
no, it was the score. Oh, this is a different one.
So it's the body length, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because you're using the head length to predict.
You opened that one already?
I just did.
You know what it's telling me? You don't have permission to open this.
No.
Oh gosh. Let me see. But this is ridiculous. How can I not be able to open that?
So I got where is it? Like 0.121 for the lower bound. Oh, define the margin of error. Oh.
But we
So
do
we'll
need
need
the
the-
upper and lower bound.
Yeah, so it's those minus or divided by 2 or minus each other. Um,
I'm trying to run the test really quickly. So.
I think this is one. I got 0.007.
For the margin of error.
Yeah, but I don't know if that's right.
Okay. So what do you have for the?
What did you get for the confidence interval? Oh, determine the margin of error for this confidence interval. So, so these we have to do it by hand, right?
No, if we can get the lower and upper bound, we do upper minus lower divided by 2.
Okay, so what did you get for the lower? 7218?
7218. No, what did
7218?
yeah? What did you run through your test
Which one?
for
This one
the
now?
crocodile to get the confidence interval?
I
What
did,
did you
I,
analyze, regression, and linear, and then
and then I put the body length as the dependent. Let me see. I always get confused with that. The body length as dependent as y, and the head as x. And then I check the one that it says confidence interval, the little box underneath.
I got the same thing she did. 7.218 for lower, and for upper it's 8.103.
Oh, 3, yeah.
Oh.
So then what do we do here?
But is that what everybody is getting?
Hold on, I'm gonna redo it real quick. So did you get 7.218 and 8.103?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that would make the margin of error 0.443 once it's rounded.
Minus negative 0.443. I think it could be either plus or minus, right?
Well, isn't it lower? You minus the lower from the upper and then divide by 2, right?
I did the other way.
It's upper minus lower.
I got 0.443 as well.
0.885 divided by 2. 443. Yeah, 0.443.
Awesome. And then for 18, we are 95% confident the confidence interval. So A.
Yeah, I think it's A, right?
Yeah. The questions aren't stable for me. Hmm. Alrighty. This is the moment of truth.
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna submit now.
Okay. Sorry, mine's taking. It's not saving my questions, so I'm just waiting.
Huh? Nope. The lower bound and the upper bound 0.
For which one?
For 10 and 11.
They're both 0?
Uh-huh.
Meaning we got them wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's not the answer though.
No.
No, the answer's not 0. She's saying we got 0 points for it.
No, we got it wrong.
Is 10 and 11 the only one we missed?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. For 10 and 11, I'm gonna try the confidence interval I got with the test I ran without the RES. I just did the confidence one.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I'm gonna try that one really quick.
What was it that you got for that one?
Well, 10 point something. I can't remember now, but I'll let you know. Okay. Yeah. You guys can maybe I can really scroll up.
See, but that's not right because they're talking all along about the residuals, and then we're supposed to run the other one, then the confidence interval on the. Oh, you know what? You know why? Because it says now construct a 95 confidence interval for B1. Okay, so what did you get? 10.674 for the lower? And 14.715 for the upper?
Is your thing still submitting it?
Oh,
I'm
we
gonna
just
submit it again. I want to see if that's the correct one.
Can she get back in without the link?
She can still get in. Like if she emailed it to everyone, she can click on it.
Oh.
Do you want to put those numbers?
10. What was the upper bound you got?
For number 10, I
Oh.
got 10.674.
Okay.
And for 11, 14.715. 14 point. 10.674 and 14.715.
Welcome back.
Oh.
Wait, sorry, I don't know what happened. Did you guys get the confidence interval?
Yeah, I got 10.674
Mhm.
and 14.715.
Yes.
Okay, so submit it and let's see if that put it.
Yeah, those are right.
Okay, good. Okay, so I'm gonna take it
And
again.
then we got 100.
Okay, great.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Alrighty.
Oh, and for the big group project thing, I'll finish the last little section tonight. So if anyone has any ideas for it, just email me them, and then I'll email it out tonight, and then we can talk about it tomorrow. Or if it's good, I'll just send it in.
Okay.
Okay. Did you get my email?
Yes, I did. Thank you.
What, did you get mine too?
Did you send one?
I did. When you were asking for the formula, you didn't
Oh
get it?
no, I
Oh.
sent one with the document attached to it.
No, yeah. No, I did. I get that one. I'm gonna send you something for the.
Oh,
Ashley, can you send one for the group so maybe we can get the 10 points that we're missing?
I know. I was planning on doing it, but Michaela already did it.
Oh,
we're just waiting for him to respond to it. Because he
okay.
said, didn't he say that he was busy this weekend or something?
Yeah, when did you
Mhm.
send it out? No. You just sent that out when? Yesterday, maybe? Today?
The 10 points thing?
Yeah,
It was like a couple days ago.
I just saw
But
it.
she just sent the email this morning, though, so it'll take a little time.
Okay,
But if it's not, I don't know, give it a couple days, then we can do something about it.
yeah. So do you think that we should all submit one? No, because he said there's just one submission, right?
Yeah, all our submissions would be the same.